Hey guys, filmmagic here, and today I'm gonna show you why Final Cut Pro X probably is gonna taking up a lot of space on your hard disk. Let's go! When you edit with Final Cut, it creates a lot of render files. To give us a preview of the footage we edited together. The render files are getting stored somewhere, and by the time it can take up a lot of space. And now let's go right to the solution. How to free up a lot of space. Okay. You got your project right here. Just go to your library, click it one time, and then go to File, Delete Generated Library Files, click it, Delete Render Files, Unused Only, or All. Thing you need to remember is right here, it won't delete any footage, nothing, only the render files. Everything stays the same, you'll lose nothing, don't worry. Delete it. Boom. And after that you have much more space, because I did it yesterday and I got like 100 gigabytes more space because I did it never before. And this is crazy. And you can also do it with a single project or an event. It's always the same procedure. Just mark it, go to File, go to Delete Generated Render Files, all or unused ones, and this is how you do it. This was filmmagic. Like, subscribe, it would mean a lot to me. For real, for real. No, but yeah, thank you. See you in the next video. See you in the next video.